Hello friends, today's topic, you will be amazed at the profits of these 30 stocks in 3 months. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. Our markets have given short-term investors a great opportunity to make profits in the last 3 months. Since the middle of November 2023, Nifty has rallied well by 13%. This has resulted in very good profits in individual stocks too. Many of our graduates have sent emails and shared in the comment section of various videos that they have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 in short term in recently. If you knew technical analysis, then you would have made good profits too. This is a reminder for our graduates who do short-term trading to be alert for opportunities. Nifty current level 22,217, Nifty 30 DMA 21,779. So currently Nifty is in hold zone for short term. Nifty has to fall by around 2% to enter the sell zone. In fact, markets fell till 21,875 today and then bounced back above 22,200. Nifty graph November, February 2024, 19,444 to 21,462 and then again 21,740 to 22,217. Please note that this video is only showing the profits which have been made in short term in the current rally since November 2023. 2. Take decision for short term trades based on what you have learned in the workshop and follow technical analysis rules. 3. Apart from many of our graduates who have made good short term profits, we have personally made a significant amount of profit in this rally in short term. Profits made in Nifty 50 stocks since November 2023. Number 1, Adani Enterprises 42%, 2, Adani Ports 63%, 3, Axis Bank 11%, 4, Eicher Motors 20%, 5, ICICI Bank 10%, 6, Titan Company 13%, 7, SBI 28%, 8, M&M 20%, 9, L&T 16%, 10, Tata Motors 45%. Now going down, profits made in Nifty next 50 stocks since November 2023. 1. Canara Bank 51%, 2. HAL 52%, 3. HDFC AMC 36%, 4. IRCTC 39%, 5. DLF 61%, 6. LIC 70%, 7. Tata Power 50%, 8. Varun Beverages 60%, 9. Godrej Consumer 22%, 10. Interglobe Aviation 20%. Profits made in Nifty mid-cap stocks since November 2023. Number 1. Godrej Properties 36%, 2. SAIL 38%, 3. Shriram Finance 20%, 4. Trend 67%, 5. TVS Motors 28%, 6. Lupin 33%, 7. Astral 8%, 8. Indian Hotels 43%, 9. L&T Technology Services 23%, 10. REC 49%. Although you may not make good profits in all stocks invested in the short term, definitely you must have good profits in your short term trades. If you have not made much profit, then it means that you are making some mistake or you did not wait sufficiently to earn more profits. You may need to refresh what you learned in the workshop. End of the video, here is the question. What amount of money would you like to make from short-term trades so that you can partially or fully cover your basic monthly expenses? Type the amount in the comment section. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.